This meeting is being recorded.
Welcome, guys. Today I'm just gonna give you a quick review on GBPUSD. Maybe one of my senior mentees, Mr. Salihu, is going to carry on an update on gold. Yeah, he did gold analysis. Or was it yesterday? Okay, day before yesterday, right? So the analysis played out beautifully according to prediction, right? So like I analyzed that we are going to be going bullish on GBPUSD 2 days ago. For those of you who joined me, this is daily time frame. That's from like I trade um Bastra concepts, but I also take a very, very serious note on market structure because market structure is a very common topic in the forex industry, but it's so unfortunate that many people, especially beginners, take it for granted. I've studied a lot of concepts, but when I realized the concept of market structure and market structure synchronization, I was shocked because when you have an in-depth knowledge on how market structure works, you don't even care about the news. You don't even care about what if there is news or not, because you can always be at least 70-80% right on technical basis. So that is why I give my 100% attention, not on my strategy, but on market structure synchronization, because if I know where the market is going, it will be very easier for me to apply my strategy. Because when I was trading Nora concept, most of the time my stop loss hit because I was not putting. I see most of those fantastic five setup everywhere, and I want to trade, that beginner mentality, and I keep on losing sometimes, but there are weeks I will be winning. Maybe that week market structure was on point. I was on point, but I was trading the concept blindly because my mentor never really stressed so much on market structure synchronization, which I'm doing it to my students. So our analysis was that we have been expecting GBPUSD to go bullish, right? So last 2 weeks we have not last 2 weeks, last week we have a very huge retracement on daily when the market the Dow theory was breached. We're expecting that there is a blind spot here. The market is going to tap from this blind spot, then my market will start going bullish. But I think the whole of the week, 1, 2, 3, 4 to 5 days throughout the week, GPB was on a retracement. Like we did our analysis 2 days ago, I said that it is time for GBPUSD to start going bullish because the retracement was coming from the monthly blind spot, right? There was a blind spot on monthly time frame, which the market reacted from. Then it got retracement. And we know that since the Dow theory has been breached, it is a sign that this market will continue going up. And that is what happened. Also, I use the concept I taught you guys on YouTube, manipulation entry formula to enter this trade. I entered this trade on H1 time frame using manipulation entry formula. So when I see that pattern, that setup, I know that, okay, it's time for me to enter the trade to go bullish, right? And I swing that trade on Monday, and on Tuesday yesterday, the trade was still in my direction, right? And also news came and then drive the market. So right now, what are we going to be doing today? We are still going to be buyers, right? We are still going to be buyers. In as much as GBPUSD is concerned, we are going to continue to be buyers. Somebody said to me yesterday that GBPUSD is coming to form a big M on daily and started going down bearish. No. I don't think so. I don't think so. With an in-depth knowledge on market structure, whenever the Dow theory is breached, that theory is so powerful, right? When you combine the Dow theory and the market structure synchronization, market structure itself, market structure synchronization, you always know where you are going, right? No matter the noises on YouTube, you always know where you are going. So, and I said, no, I don't think daily GPB on daily is going to form an M pattern and start going down bearish. Cannot happen. Where we are going to be buying, we are going to buy GU until this point here. Let me show you on weekly time frame. On weekly time frame, we have a Quasimodo reversal, potential Quasimodo reversal on weekly time frame, which means that we are expecting. Remember, when you look at the market structure wise, we are in a downtrend. We are in a downtrend because the Dow theory has been breached on weekly, and this is, let me pick my pen. This is impulse and correction. So we are, the reason why we are buying gold, we are buying GBPUSD on a lower time frame, because we are on weekly retracement, right? We are dealing with weekly retracement. So we should be buying up to this point here, this QM level, this potential QM level on weekly. If the price get here, then the Dow theory is still going to be breached on a lower time frame. So when Dow theory breach on H4, we know that, okay, it is time to start coming down back bearish. So that is why we are going to be looking forward bullish opportunity until this level here. So why do I have confidence that we are going, the market cannot come and pass this level, is because number one, that is a Quasimodo and it has confirmation, right? When we look at that Quasimodo on weekly time frame, let's look at the monthly time frame for confirmation. So let's go to monthly. Yeah, so what is our confirmation candle? When we are looking for confirmation, we look for bearish engulfing or full body momentum candle, right? So this is let me zoom it again. This actually is a full body momentum candle. So, and our markup on weekly time frame is on the body candle, is on the full body candle momentum, right? So this is my reason why I said the markets will be going bullish throughout this month of November. We are going to be, I don't know how fast they can move to this point, but for now, based on market structure wise on daily time frame, we are going to be looking for what? Buying opportunity. Now, let me show you something. The market structure has already been played out, has already shown clearly on daily time frame. And what is the market structure there? It's showing our characteristics of higher high, higher low. So which is I believe it's coming from this is a high. Why this is a high? Why is it a high? It breached this particular high here. So this was an impulsive move and it was correction, right? The market move, impulse correction. This is another impulsive move. Then we are expecting a correctional move. So this correctional move will come to this point, then we move again. The market may move and then give us another sign, then enter this zone where we expect the market to retrace. So maybe the market will move again, and then breach. When the Dow theory is breached, then we know that we will be going down bearish. So we follow market structure. So by the time we know where we are going, that is when we are going to be applying our strategy. We apply our strategy in isolation, right? So right now, what is happening on GU is this. When we go to daily time frame, 4-hour time frame, I'm seeing what am I seeing? So you need to sharpen your eyes, guys. If I look at the 4-hour time frame, like I said, we are in a correctional move. The market is retracing. Then the retracement, where is the retracement going to end? So for me, I'm seeing a QM arrow, a potential QM arrow. Where is the potential QM arrow here on the chart? Let me show you guys. So this is a low. So this low, this is a high. This is a low, this is a high, this is a lower low and higher high. So you have to sharpen your eyes on how to spot Quasimodo. So in this wise, when this happens, we mark the left shoulder of the QM, right? When we mark the left shoulder, that point becomes our entry point. But mind you, we don't enter from the week from the H4 time frame. We are traders that respect a risk to reward ratio, because when we enter on a higher time frame, our risk to reward ratio is not going to be so good, right? So we are going to mark this QM like this. So this is how we are going to mark it. So I'm expecting this retracement to come to this point, to come here. Once we come here, then we get confirmation, then we start buying. This is what is going to happen. So they may also get to this point and then go up. But this is the best zone I'll be waiting patiently to buy. So right now, why we have to look for our confirmation. Like I always tell you guys, even on my YouTube, when you see a Quasimodo, potential Quasimodo, right? You don't have to just start setting pending order. You also have to look for confirmation. So where is going to be, where are we going to look for our confirmation? Since this setup happened on H4 time frame, which means that we are going on daily time frame to look for confirmation. So when a setup happened, you use 2 higher time frame for confirmation. For instance, now maybe we find a setup on 1 hour time frame. We go to 4 hours time frame to look for confirmation. If we did not see confirmation on 4 hour time frame, we go to daily time frame. You cannot go above 2 time frame. If I find a setup on,
hello, sir.
Yeah.
So from the mark you cancel just now.
You say what?
From the mark you cancel just now, sir.
From the market,
saw
are
the
you seeing my
second mark.
screen? Can you see my
Yes,
screen?
yes,
I'm
yes.
not getting.
You cancel mark now. You mark from Quasimodo direction of the market now, sir. The second one, if market come to the second one, it means the setup is blind spot, right?
It's blind spot. Okay, this one.
No, the up one.
This one.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, there's no blind spot here on my own chart, right? And there's no blind spot here, because it's supposed to be, maybe if there was a bearish engulfing that this market breaks significantly, then we should be looking at that blind spot, because blind spot is a reversal signal, while QMR also is a reversal. I mean, blind spot is a reversal setup, right? And also QMR is a reversal setup. So as they want to reverse the market from a bearish movement to a bullish movement, they will use any of the reversal setup. They also use manipulation entry formula. It's also a reversal setup, which I trade on Monday, because they didn't give, before you can trade manipulation entry formula, it comes with expertise in the strategy, right? Because manipulation entry formula is technical, but psychologically, this setup works wonders. So like here we can only see, the only reversal setup we can see on the chart is Quasimodo reversal, potential Quasimodo reversal. We are calling it potential Quasimodo reversal because the market, we don't know whether the market will get to this place, so it's still potential. The market can do whatever it wants, right? But this is our potential setup. So for me to have confidence that when market come to this place, I'm going to buy, I always look for confirmation. So since it happened on this QM happened on H4 time frame, we are going to look for confirmation on daily time frame. So let's see daily time frame. So where is our confirmation? This full body candle, guys. Are you now? Let me tell you the psychological meaning of this full body candle. When you see Quasimodo reversal as a setup, or a blind spot as a reversal setup, or a manipulation entry formula as a reversal setup, or Quasimodo manipulation as a reversal setup. When you see them and you look for what does those setup mean? This signifies that a trend reversal is imminent, right? They signify that a trend reversal is imminent, which means that they want to start reverse from a downtrend to an uptrend, or from an uptrend to a downtrend. So by the time you look for confirmation on the higher time frame, you see a bullish engulfing candle. Psychologically, what does bullish engulfing candle mean? Bullish engulfing candle is signaling you the strength. It's telling you the strength of buyers coming into the market. We don't trade with any other indicator. We don't have any other thing we rely on. We know the psychological meaning of this thing that they are presented here on the chart, right? So now, we cannot find bullish engulfing in this example. We see full body momentum candle. What does this full body momentum candle tells you? It's telling you the strength of buyers into this market. Do you think the market can come to this point now and started dropping? It cannot. It cannot, because of the strength. Look at the strength. Look at the momentum. Psychologically, it's telling us the strength of buyers that are into the market. In this wise, you should not be looking for selling. You should be a buyer. You want to become the buying neighborhood so that you join other buyers that are somewhere here ready to push the market up. So that is why sometimes I call this place the buying neighborhood, because it is not only you that want to buy, even the big players, they want to pump in their buy order, right? So now this confirmation is a full body momentum candle I've been talking about, and this is a confirmation for me. And psychologically, this gives me more confidence that when market come to our potential QM on H4 time frame, I'm going to buy without fear or favor, right? I'm going to buy, either win or lose. I'm going to buy. Of course, I'm not gonna lose anyways. So this is what is going to happen, or this is our expectation. We are not on this. I'm not an herbalist. I'm not I don't know the market too much like that. I'm just a technical analyst. I understand market structure to my own level, and this is my projection on GBPUSD, and I will wait patiently. I cannot put a trade because I know the market is going to come here. I cannot be selling. This is what some people will make mistake. Oh, since he said it's going to come, let me start selling. You are in a buy market. So the buyers are in control. The market may shift to this point and buyers decided to start pushing it up. They can do whatever they want. So that is why you don't want to be buying while the big boys are selling. The question is, who are you? Are you a son of a millionaire? You want to buy when you go to the higher time frame. Look at that bullish and full body momentum candle on daily time frame. It shows you that the big players are into the market. They want to push the market up. Then if big players are into the market, then you say you want to sell. Are you a son of a millionaire? Who is your father? So that is why you want to follow the big players so that you'll be able to make small money, right? We don't trade every day. We only trade when market gives us reason to trade. And that is why we are consistent, right? Our consistency is intact. Right now, I used to like, why am I going to be waiting for this Quasimodo to play out? Let me just go to other pairs. After all, I'm seeing some fantastic five there. You see me making money in GBPUSD, and I will go back and dash GBPJPY. You see me making money in GBPNZD. I will go back and dash USD CAD. That is the problem of overtrading. So for the fact that this strategy, maybe you have mastered the strategy and you are seeing it on every pair, or this pair is not giving you what you want, you go to others. You are still not going to be profitable. So my mentor trade only one pair, gold, and sometimes when gold is not printing setup, you will see her trading other Ethereum, like Ethereum USD or BTC USD. Sometimes she trade GBP USD as well, but very rare when gold is not giving. But 95%, she's always focused on gold, and she's very profitable. She decided to hide herself for her reason. So I think she has impacted a lot of people across the globe. Yeah. So today we keep mentioning her, and we'll continue to mention her because she really changed the game for some of us. of which we are also giving that impact. We are inspiring people also with our concepts. So I believe as time goes on, I will continue to make people understand the concept and trade with peace. So guys, this is what I'm seeing on GBPUSD. This is potential QMRO setup on H4 time frame. When the market come to our zone, we are going to use smart entering to enter this trade. So that, for instance, now we like, unlike me, I value risk to reward ratio, right? And that is why I can have one trade in a week. I'm still good to go because of risk to reward ratio. I can have 2 trade. I can even have 2 long.
Incoming mail.
Hello guys. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is my expectations on.
We can hear you, sir.
Okay. This is my expectation on GBPUSD. So I'm waiting patiently for this thing to play out. But remember that we are in an uptrend, right? We are going to continue to be biased as long as GBPUSD is concerned, in my opinion. So let's be patient. And for those of you who are not in price action sharpshooter and PureForeX sharpshooter group, maybe I'm going to give update there. But if you are not in that group, you can also mark your chart the way I do, then monitor it. Now, you have to be manager, take ownership of this setup. So when it happens, then you take opportunity, right? Because you may not get an update. I'm not going to post the update on I only post on